Welcome to Macy's Cute Day.
Welcome to the Macy's Cute Day.
Welcome to Macy's Cute Day.
Ayan si Belle. Kasama lang namin ngayon.
I have a new aircon, guys. Kaya bakit?
Hi, my friend, Tita
Kasi ang
Macy.
lamig. Mahaba. Ay. Wow! Split time.
I like coloring my
Ito yung remote niya. Ay, putik. Ito remote niya.
Ayaw mo na?
Yan. Ayan. Bye-bye.
Ha? Look, camera.
Pinakama. Party muna ta. Party. Or, bye guys, kasi bawal mahaba pag ipopost sa YouTube.
Napapanood yun na.